Hi, Core Plus More class. I just wanted to touch on a few things. I have in the class comments on your next year PBL rubric, the assignment for here. So your assignment, your hunger poster project. I realize we don't have posters in the classroom. I have them, which is very useful to you right now. I will have them in tomorrow. And there is a slight extension due to the unexpected sick day today. I'm actually home dealing with some family sickness, trying to get those things addressed. So I had to be here, but I'm trying to also be digitally present with you. So part of the reason you have a co-teacher vlog, trying to explain some things. So reminder of your project, what the assignment is. It is posted on Google Classroom. The rubric is there. And like I said, we're going to put a slight extension because it's listed as a poster project and I haven't provided you poster boards because they are sitting behind the couch here at home, which is a great place for them. Sarcastic. So using what you've learned about hunger in our community and resources to fight it, our community, North Chicago, create an informational poster or PowerPoint or infographic, and I'm going to share what an infographic is right here below the video because I'm going to post this video on Google Classroom. Create an informational poster sharing hunger resources for North Chicago. It's 40 points based on the attached rubric. I've looked at the rubric with you guys previously. I've sat down with several of you and actually gone through it, so you know what the rubric looks like. And then I had some frequently asked questions the other day. Can I do a PowerPoint instead of a poster? Yes, you can. Or an infographic, that's also fine. Can I do it on computer? Yes. You can make an infographic on a Google Doc or Google Slide instead of a poster. And again, I'll share what that looks like just below here in just a second. Is it about hunger resources in North Chicago? Yes, that's the whole point of the project. If you need to expand beyond just the city of North Chicago, that those resources are available in Waukegan, Libertyville, Gurnee, something like that, that is perfectly fine. That is still impacting our community here in North Chicago because as Lake County, we're kind of a bigger community altogether. So that's okay to go ahead and expand beyond specifically the city of North Chicago. Can I work with a partner? Yes, you can work with one partner. So your group can be no more than 2 people. You also can do the project solo. So basically you're doing the project as yourself or doing the project with one partner, so 2 of you total. Do I have to do all parts of the rubric? No, technically you don't. But consider that if you skip anything, it receives an I did not try grade, which is only worth 50%. Now, I did mention the other day as we were looking at the rubric, if you were to skip just a couple things, or if you weren't sure, I still have this example on the board of that field goal goalpost. So anywhere in this goalpost counts as having actually passed. So if you are if we look at that from the perspective of the 40-point rubric that we have here, you need to get 60% to actually have passed. And so, if you've got at least 5 of the points on each of the things on the rubric, where you can average 5 of the points on each of the things on the rubric, so 25 total points, you've passed. And it's a pass-fail class for core, and so that's kind of something that you can work to your advantage. I realize a lot of you have never done a project like this. It's kind of daunting, it's kind of intimidating. We put it into core class on purpose. And so do consider that field goal example that is up on the main board still. It shows 2 footballs, one that went straight down the center, and it says that one's worth 3 points if a field goal kicker comes out and kicks it. And there's one that's down in the corner. Looks like it actually might have bounced through the uprights. That still counts for 3 points as long as it bounces through. So consider that. You're looking to get a minimum of 25 points. And I'd like you to get as many as you can. Shoot for the 40. I'm not saying don't. But consider that, as long as you have the minimum, you are going to pass the project. If you have any other missing work in the class, if you haven't done any of those surveys, the quizzes that are listed on there, do go ahead and take a look at those. I'm going to go and just click over that real quick right now. Take a look at the grade page. If you're missing your hero and grade check, the key things though are going to be that food quiz and the what resources are available in our area to help the hungry. Those are kind of the key things that were entered as larger grades so far, and so you're going to want to make sure that you have those up to date. Quarter does end tomorrow. Like I said, there's going to be a small extension on this project since I have not brought you poster boards. But we'll get that addressed and we'll make that work out as far as quarter grades. I fully expect all of you are going to pass first quarter core. But if you have any questions, definitely feel free to contact me. I think I've taken enough of your time with this vlog. Like I said, there's an example of a infographic right below me on Google Classroom. There's a few examples. Be great today. Have a good Thursday. I will see you guys tomorrow.